Okay, hello everyone. So yeah, I'm gonna be working on um, this pull request. So we're still kind of talking about the solution, not certain that we want to do things the way that it's being done. I'm not exactly sure where things are gonna land, but one thing that's for certain is here. Let's yes, there it is. If I can check out the integration test folder and add a test there to confirm working. So actually it was never ever working. This is just the way that it's always been. We've just never noticed it before. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to check out the master branch. I'm going to pull that just to make sure I have the latest of everything. And then I'm going to we'll just yeah, I'm going to check out the integration folder that thing. Yes. And I'm gonna find the right one. Stuff. Huh. That's okay. Looks like these are actually, you know what would probably help if I went back to yeah, if I went back to this and agent 007. Baha. So we'll find that integration tests. So config. Okay, so there's a test directory in here. Config. Okay, and then in here presumably is the that right here. Okay, so they run tests, the ones we want to run, sense the directory, the flags, big, big. Okay, that makes sense. So for me, I pretty much just want to have a test that does what React is doing. The piece matters. So that is our so needs to batch event errors. Yeah, great. This is the part that I was kind of about. So window add event. So I need to add an error event listener. Then I need to match where the callback throws an error, and then my error event that doesn't. Maybe I just add. Well, we'll see. I might not need to. but I definitely need to create some node. What they do, fake node. They create an element called React. Oh, okay, so they have a callback in which it removes the event listener, so it's a one-time event. And then we call the function, and if it errors, then if it errors, then this line will never run. It'll throw an error inside the callback function. Yeah, so that's all that really needs to happen. Is I have an event listener on some node that throws an error in the callback, and that will log wrong console. So how do I assert? I guess, yeah, I just need to assert that the console failed. Um, yeah, that's the only. I mean, this is exactly what's happening, so I want to do it the way that I'm experiencing the problem. So, okay, so this would be a console test, I guess. Okay. Test. Oh man, this is super duper annoying. So, they have rules that enforce style, which prettier will fix automatic. They here figured right here. So like, why do you enforce stylistic things that a tool will automate away? Because it's super duper annoying. I hit save, and then not only does prettier fix but ESLint also fixes, so it like is just a huge mess. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my packages, lint. We're going to super annoying, and then I'll have to enable it. The React code base does too. Okay, so Jest the console the same as the okay. Yeah, okay. This print and print. Here we go. I think I'm gonna duplicate DOM. And coworker. Julio. So, this I need this because they can. I will just this. Great. With just do log Marie as well. Blah. Wait a second. You know what? My guess is like it's not formatting with here properly is because there's a JSON right here and prettier stops. The pretty package is like, hey, not neat. Or I'm going to use your default format settings here. But that's why all these is Johnny73 wondering if they'd accepted my PR. It's right here. They haven't yet. We're still discussing how to solve it properly. But one thing is for sure, we need an integration test. That's what I'm. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll only this one. And boy, that's super annoying. I can reload. There. Can't package JSON. Next. Integration. Okay, no. Guess those are just normal tests. Okay, so it's all part of the same. So here. This. Okay, we're gonna do yarn jest integration or no, wait. There we go. We want. Hey, look, it worked. Getting logs. Cool. Whoa. What's going on? Stop. It looks like it's just running forever. We want adjust the console. Dot test. Yeah. And okay, good. Cool. So we're getting our logs. could have console type. So here I want to do stuff that React is doing. Whole bunch of like I don't care about any of this. So new this is an in event callback. I'm going to create a fake node. Copied and modified this from okay. Create the event, callback, we throw the error, we have this this. Get rid of that. Save that. Okay. Okay, sweet. Yeah, so that is not what we want. So what I can do now is I can go. So we have here. Yeah. Next, you have hmm. Interesting. I cannot listen it. Okay. Hmm. Okay, well, console that we have here. see what run just. So let's just files that are the problem. Do runner and test. You are. Yeah. Environment. Stop. Stop. No. Test environment. Okay, so when a console log isn't, what I do is I throw an error. And I have this thing that's called throw log. It'll throw an error that's height of an object that I want. An object. Aha! So if the error is not thrown and things just work, then that means this code isn't being run, and that's why the console is there. So, run jest path. Jest. CLI. Go. Oh, it's the build. So we have to run the build every time. Build. Okay. Browser. Probably using. Okay, cool. Now if we run this, aha. Good, good, good. So now I can get rid of, boy, this is going to be an, it is. Get rid of that. And then I need to run build one. Build. Build. PM run. Build. Build. So if I test. Cool. Fun. Okay, so then we run again. Yeah. That. Here. And it was never rebuilt anyway. So here, well, actually, no. Just build everything. Two. I've been slouching. Okay. Fun fact: my wife built me this desk. If you look at my AMA, I've got a picture of it. Yeah, it's awesome. Okay, so now if I run that again, I am going to see that giant fucking error despite having mocked it. Okay, so the thing is that the console error is called, but the mock input. So so the console that is being used by JSDOM is not the same. Console.log, console error.calls for mock, I think. Space log, bunch of space. Console.error.mock.calls. Harder to. Okay, so it's mock call. Mock. That's weird. Huh. An error. Huh. That's very odd. Oh, that's the um the code frame. Oh, failing. Called one time, but it was called 0 times. Aha! There we go. So when the test is passing, then it will not have a status of 1. It'll expect the status to same stuff here. Expect the status to be 0. Snapshot. Cool. Yeah, great. Now, with those changes, just check out really quick. Oh, great. Here, yarn format. Here. by formats. Package or mp1 format. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. So they're not formatting with at least not code. They're using ESLint. They're using the ESLint plugin. So that makes okay. Wait, how do I run ESLint integration test console fix? Packages, source index, and packages test source run test integration console. What? Okay. Whoa. Yikes. Now, this small screen is also do really weird things. This is here. Looks like it just had okay, there we go. Oof. That was weird. It's just like not showing the characters in the right. But I think that I may have fixed it. You know what I need to do? I need to disable auto format. That's what here. One cool thing about prettier settings that I think I worked on it, I can't remember, but there's this exclude, and pretty much have to do this with every open source project that now here will not auto format this. Which is a shame, but and that's probably why the ESLint thing was all messed up. Enable that, now we'll get auto formatting with prettier through ESLint. Okay, so we can get rid of this and that, then we're going to get an ESLint error that there's different ways of doing it. Okay, cool. So now with that, what is this? cd jest cat jest move runner. Great, so now I add all these things, I stash them, I check out the last branch I was in, I pop the stash, get a stash up, and then we got a conflict. Excuse me. Cool, so now if I run that test, things going on here. There we go. See but now we run the test. Cool. Not cool actually. It's like that test. Oh, you know what? It's because darn build. That again. See, just need to define globals. There we go. Cool. Okay, so now if we then sorry, Jest is normally much faster than this. It's just when I'm live streaming, my computer goes really slow. 3 snapshots written. There are 3 written. Let's see what the diff is. Oh. Cool. Oh, it's because I got things staged. Git reset head. Now if I look at it, git add. Guess I don't know. Good. I think this is good. So we'll git add all this and git push or git amend force. It history. Okay, now we're gonna do test and so with that, back to this thing and the diff. Just can mock console.error from JSDOM. Amend. There. Actually, here, I really don't care about anything other than The worst they can do is ask me to. Okay, so anyway, read that. And maybe just send. Okay. So still not totally solid on the. Oh, stop that. And push force. Thank you. Okay. That out of my. Okay. Hey, things are looking good other than that, or the actual implementation. Stuff just very serious about. Yeah, okay. And give it a push force. Not sure how it is, but refresh. That is what. Give him snapshot. Escape. Snapshot. Unlinked. Cat. This. Huh. This is. Oh, delete that. What? Fix it here. Cool. Whatever. Okay. I guess that's part. Okay. Hey, look. The cache wasn't warmed up, maybe. But anyway, now we can turn test for build and turn. So, wait, now it's gone. Okay, I'll just add a no idea this. Oh, hold on a second. That's. Oh, you know, let's rebase on map. Let's close that. Aha! And the change log. And this. Oh, MRF, that thing. Get continue or add get rebase continue log. Now see if okay, so those yep, correct get push force. Now all cleaned up. You okay? 8 5. Okay, ultimately a pretty simple change. Okay, cool. So now I'll go back to the conversation here and I'll say, alrighty, I just have an integration change for hopefully that will help clear up any confusion. Try to add this integration to map without my changes. It will fail because console.error is never called. So the have been called will fail. However, console.error referenced in the test is not the same as the one that just out, which is why my changes are necessary. Okay, cool. I think that's all I'm going Oh, hi, Lakeisha. Yeah, I do stream. What up? I'm actually almost done. So there will be the video watch later. I think I'll probably put this on YouTube. I don't know why I wouldn't. So you can find it tcd.im YouTube. Can see dots vids. Yeah, things. I've got some playlists too. Yes. Anyway, so yeah, check that out. And I think I'm gonna sign out. I don't have anything else. I'm gonna live stream. At least not this morning, so maybe soon. But thanks everyone. Ciao.